Welcome. Today we are mastering the write an email task for the TOEFL. In this section, you have 7 minutes to read a scenario and craft a professional response that addresses every requirement. Let's practice how to structure your thoughts quickly and effectively. If you want to keep improving your TOEFL writing score, make sure to subscribe to myTOEFL. Let's continue learning together and reach your goals. You will read some information and use the information to write an email. You will have 7 minutes to write the email. You recently joined a neighborhood book club and received the reading list for the next quarter. The prompt establishes that you have joined a neighborhood book club and are now receiving the schedule. This context is important because it defines your relationship with the recipient as a new member of a community group. However, you discover that the first book on the list is currently out of print and unavailable at local bookstores or the public library. The core problem is that the book is out of print, which prevents you from following the club's schedule. This specific detail is the logical bridge you must use to justify why you are reaching out for help. Write an email to Miss Bennett. In your email, do the following. You are instructed to write to Miss Bennett. Addressing her by name in the salutation is crucial for maintaining a professional and polite tone. Thank Miss Bennett for the upcoming book club reading list. This requirement tells us to thank Miss Bennett for the information. Starting with appreciation sets a positive tone for the rest of the email. Explain that the first book on the list is out of print. You must explain the specific issue regarding the book's availability. This ensures the recipient understands the obstacle before you propose a solution. Suggest a different book or ask for a digital copy link. This final bullet asks you to suggest a different book or find an alternative format. It requires you to be proactive in resolving the conflict you described earlier. Write as much as you can and in complete sentences. Your response. Bennett Neighborhood Books, org. This is the recipient's email address, which confirms you are sending a formal message to the book club organizer. Book club selection issue. A good subject line should be brief and clearly state the topic. Including keywords from the task helps the recipient understand the priority of the issue. Now let's look at a high-scoring example email. Pay attention to how the writer addresses all the bullet points and uses formal vocabulary. We start with the formal greeting, dear. Next, we add the recipient's title and name, Miss Bennett. Finally, we place a comma to properly punctuate the salutation. We begin with, I would like to thank you to express formal gratitude. Then we add for providing to clarify the reason for our thanks. We specify the object, the upcoming book club reading list, and conclude with, so early, to highlight our appreciation for the advance notice. We start with, I have heard wonderful things to show enthusiasm. Next, we connect this to the specific topic about the themes you chose. We add the time frame for this quarter and end with, and look forward to our discussions to signal our commitment to the club. We use, however, I am writing to transition to the main issue. Then we state the cause, because I have encountered a problem. We explain the context while trying to purchase and identify the exact item, the first book, Voices of the Valley. We start with, it appears that, to sound polite, we identify the subject, this specific title, and explain its status is currently out of print. We add, and is unavailable for clarity, and finish with the locations at all the local bookstores and the public library. We begin with the reasons, since several members and the potential issue may have difficulty finding a copy. Then we express the concern it might be challenging and conclude with the result for us to stay on schedule. We open the request with, would it be possible to remain respectful? We offer the first solution to suggest an alternative book. We provide a second option or provide a link and finish with the specific format to a digital version. We start with, I want to ensure to show our goal. Next, we add that everyone has the opportunity to emphasize fairness. We specify the action to read the material and set the time frame before our next meeting. We start with thank you to show appreciation. We conclude with for your assistance, to acknowledge the recipient's help in advance. We use the professional closing best regards and add a comma to finish the sign-off correctly. Finally, we place to sign off the email clearly. To score well on the Write an Email task, make sure to address every bullet point provided in the prompt. Use a consistent, polite, and formal tone that is appropriate for the recipient. Finally, leave a moment at the end to check for grammatical accuracy and clear transitions.